That's coffee, folks. And a beautiful morning to boot. Cheers. What's up, folks? Cheffen Outside here on yet another camp adventure. Welcome back to the channel. Excuse me. We are at, can't really tell out there, but that is Lake Anita by Anita, Iowa. A much bigger than I expected state park. We actually got in here pretty late last night, so I didn't start filming much of anything until today. And the park is much bigger than I expected, and that's awesome. But it definitely means we're going to do another visit here because my car is hemmed up with the, you see in the back? I got the Kelty on the back of it there. And I don't really feel like undoing it, resetting it, moving around, that type of thing. So do not fret, my pets. We will, is that rude? Is that condescending? I don't know. We will do some exploring here, definitely in this immediate area, and we'll see how far I can get. I got the winter bibs, you know, the heavy coats and whatnot, so I'm definitely prepared. So I think what we're going to do is mostly hang out, chill, relax by the campsite this morning, and do some breakfast and whatnot. And then early afternoon, we're going to make our way out and about and go see what the park has to offer. Plus, the sun should be out a bit better and it'll be a little bit warmer, even though the wind will be up some. So for now, we got a coffee. We're just hanging out and chilling, letting this weather adjust a little bit. And here in a minute, we'll get some breakfast going. And then eventually, we'll get to walking about, taking a look, see what Lake Anita has to offer here, at least on this side of the lake. Like I said, it's pretty big, so. Well, all right, folks, stay tuned. I needed that second cup of coffee. I'm showing you the new coffee set I have here. Got this from Baby Sis, a Vessel. I don't really know much about the brand, but it's an overpriced coffee mug. But it works pretty dang well. It's a insulated pour over system. Pour over here, cup here, a lid there. Actually comes with the second cup, and it all stacks up real nice and neat here if I wanted it to. There we go. Let's take a little, it's the first time using it. It takes a little practice, but after that first cup, second one went much smoother. Check this out. We got some cats out here ice fishing. That's dope. Man, I can't wait to get some ice fishing in. Oh, man, we got a few people out here now, huh? Boy, I wish I would have brought my ice fishing stuff now. Getting jealous. All right, we got some bacon on. My new camp pan here, huh? Too hot on this. This is the new camp pan here. That just got a little ceramic non-stick. Cost me like $8. So that's nice. Coffee is hitting this morning, folks. Such a nice day out here. There goes that sun, just like I was talking about. Perfect for cooking a breakfast in this cold winter weather. So, golly, I love it out here. All right, we got ourselves some breakfast here, ladies and gents. Freaking hungry. Let's get this down the hatch, and we could take a look at this park. Stay tuned. Okay, we had to put the bibs on, ladies and gents. The wind, it's not that cold, especially down here where I'm at, but the wind is kicking, cutting right through my pants, so got to put the bibs on. That's okay. It's a little awkward and don't fit right. Walmart special a couple years ago, a few pounds ago. But yeah, we're ready. Let's go walk around. Let's go see what we can see and see what we can't. If that makes any sense. Stay tuned. to the playground, take a quick look. It's actually pretty nice. A special swing for folks who need a special swing. So that's nice. A very accessible playground. Alright, so when you drive in here, this whole thing is a one-way. So when you drive in here, you come up from the top down here, and on in, up down there, down and around to where all the electric and fuel hookup sites are. They all line the lake on the north side. I bet this campground is rocking in the summertime. Nope. Not even gonna look any further. I don't know if you can tell, but that thing was full to the brim. You could see it cresting at the top. Ugh. Glad I brought the lug glue. And that's why I do it. That's why I do it. These batteries, well, they're just too much for me. Too much for me. I'm weak like that. Not afraid to admit it. I mean, does this mean there's at least 161 sites out here, right? Pretty extensive. It is a little pricey to camp here, though. $20 a night. I mean, it's not the most expensive thing in the world, but not something you compared to last places. It's only $10 a night, so. I'd say the water level's down a bit. Am I the only one fascinated by large trees? Tell you what, I could just stop and stare at a big ass tree. Anytime I see one, anytime. I've stopped riding my bike before because I saw an impressive tree. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay. We made it down here to the dam. Pretty windy. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Man, it is beautiful out here. I can't even. This camera footage just will never do any justice to the real thing. I suppose the better we get with our 4Ks and our 8Ks and all that good jazz, it'll hone in eventually. But boy, it is interesting. Oh, we're hitting the big wind now. I walked definitely out of the protection. I'll be back with you in a second. Now that I'm out of the wind, I was going to say it is so interesting how everything can be dead and dry and cold and frozen and windy and still be absolutely gorgeous. It just blows my mind sometimes. You know, maybe I'm special in that way. That's probably fair. It's a fair assessment of me. Sometimes I can just go middle of nowhere and just stare off into nature and just be awestruck by it. Minutes, an hour. It's not uncommon at all for me to be hiking out somewhere and I'll just stop and stand for like 15 minutes and just stare at something that caught my eye in complete silence. It's the small things, folks. It's what makes the journey worth it. Stay tuned. Alright, now it's time to get back to the campsite. Need to get a little bit of firewood or collect some wood so I can make some firewood. And then we're just going to chill out for a little bit, maybe an hour or so until lunchtime comes around. So, alright folks, stay tuned. It's like a little welcoming board.
I have a better idea. I'm gonna go save the world. Hey, what the f***, you asshole?
Yes. Looks like the ice fishing's winding down. Just got the last of what I think will be all the wood I need for the rest of the night here. Buying that electric saw was a lifesaver, I tell you what. That definitely has enhanced the winter camping. It makes it so that it's feasible to go get your own wood. Really windy out here. I had to get the sides up on the old Roadrunner. Knock my chair over. Get the tie downs out, open up the screen. The whole nine. I'm glad I am where I am though. It would have been cool maybe if I went down one more layer, but had I been up here at the top, I'd have been in some big trouble with that wind kicking through the net. So far, she seems to be holding up just fine. Only getting up to about 20-mile-an-hour gusts, so far so good. Well, it is just about 2 o'clock. I'm getting really, really hungry. I'm trying to decide if I want wings now or wings later. If I don't have wings now, then I'll have chili now and wings later. Decisions. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Alright, lunch is on. We decided to go with wings, obviously. Wings and some green beans. A bunch of garlic in it. Cannot wait. I am hungry. It's going to take a while, of course. Take the longest thing. I figure it'll be colder tonight, so it'll be better to spend less time heating up dinner outside if it's too cold. And I got plenty of firewood back there, so worst case scenario, we'll get a big fire going and I'll fire up the butane to get the chili heated up. So, because we can't do that in the car. I thought about it, thought about doing it, and then I saw a video where a guy lit up a butane thing inside of a small tent and down there burned himself up. So, not gonna do it. Not in the car. I owe too much money on the car still to do anything stupid like that. All right, folks, stay tuned. Whew, dinner is done. Our lunch is done. That little charred up. Hard controlling that fire. Just wind and whatnot. Green beans ready to go as well. Got a little MacGruber on. Enjoying the last of the sunlight here, huh? Well, we skipped dinner. I'm just so dang tired. It's only like 8:30. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night. So we skipped dinner, calling it a night. Gonna get up real bright and early. Got just 2 or 3 things really to toss into the car and we're up out of here, huh? I'll catch you in the morning, folks. Stay tuned. Good morning. All the frost makes it look like diamonds out here. As you can tell, the car's running in the background. And we're backing up, ladies and gents. We're about ready to roll. It is just after 5:30. I want to get back home as soon as I can. I need to switch out some gear because I'm about to go meet Dave from Van Camp 402. We're meeting over at 3 Mile for a couple of days. We'll get a camp in over there as well. So we're moving to tent camping though. So we're gonna go home, switch out gear, and then be back out in a few hours into a new park. So that being said, one reminder I wanted to put on this video I keep forgetting to do is, if you haven't noticed, I've adjusted our posting schedule. So when we're doing camp trips like this, those are going to post on the weekends, usually after 4 o'clock. And our day trips, our one-offers, those are going to be, our special gear review, stuff like that. Those are going to be on Thursdays after 4 o'clock. So I just wanted to do a little separation. It helps me better understand what my goal is for editing any particular week I have footage to edit. So yeah, folks, this and the next adventure with Dave will be up on a weekend here soon, and I think I got a little day trip planning this week, so we'll have one. We might have one posting this week or next week, midweek as well. So it's all very unimportant, but it is what it is. I thought I should share in case anyone noticed and bothered to question it. So, well, alrighty, folks, on our way up out of the park here. We appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate the likes and the subscribes and the comments as usual. We'll catch you on the next one, huh? Deuces.